Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube video on your laptop or PC. For that, first open your browser and go to youtube.com. Now select the video that you want to download. Next, click on three dots below. From the menu, tap on Save to Playlist. After that, click on Create New Playlist. You can give your playlist any name you like. Now tap on Privacy option and choose the preferred privacy setting public, unlisted or private. After that, click on Create. Once the playlist is created, refresh the page. After refreshing, click on three-line menu, then select You. Here you will see the playlist you just created. Open that playlist. Inside the playlist, you will see the download option. Click on it and the video will start downloading to your laptop. So this is how you can properly download YouTube video by adding them to playlist fast. Thanks for watching.